welcome back to today's workout. We are doing a body weight Tabata workout. So if you've never done Tabata is sort of a HIIT workout, but we work in 20-second intervals. So there's going to be 20 seconds on with a 10-second break. So because these breaks are so short, I really won't have time to explain the workout. So make sure that you guys are watching the preview of the workout so you guys know what to do. This workout is no equipment required, not a whole lot of jumping around, so it shouldn't be too hard to follow along, okay? Tabata workouts are designed to be short and sweet, but to get a really good workout in about 12 to 20 minutes. Also, ladies, after this workout, make sure you take your sweaty selfie and post it in the Facebook group and tag us on Instagram at #FitQueenTeam and tag me, your girl, DejaFitBeauty. All right, let's get started. Make sure you got some space. Let's go.
Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Round 1.
Short breaks, you guys. Keep moving. Don't sit down, okay? 20 seconds on, 10-second break. Let's go. Jumping squats. Nice and easy. Just enough to get your toes off the ground. For a modification, we're just going to give you a regular squat. Let's go. Make sure you sit back on those hips. And rest. Okay, we got push-ups next, so everybody on the ground. We're gonna do some modified push-ups.
3, 2, 1, go!
So right here, you're gonna go all the way down to the ground, and then lift yourself up. All the way down, and then lift yourself up. All right, stay down here. We got mountain climbers next. Let's go.
3, 2, 1, go!
So we can do it this way, or you can slow it down. Okay? It's up to you.
3, 2, 1, stop!
Great. All right, now we have a broad jump with a back pedal.
3, 2, 1, go!
So we're gonna jump, take it down. Nice soft jumps. If you can't jump, I want you to just take some big steps back and big steps forward. Okay, just like that. Make sure you're landing softly on the knees.
3, 2, 1, stop!
All right, regular squats next.
4, 3, 2, 1, go! Round 6.
Got to stop a lot. Keep going.
3, 2, 1, stop!
Great. All right, back on the ground, we got bicycle crunches.
3, 2, 1,
Let's go.
Round 7. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop!
Rest. Whew. Next is a plank. We're just gonna hold that plank
4, 3,
on your arms like this.
go!
Make sure that butt is down. No booty's up here. Bring that core in. Squeeze the glutes.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Welcome to
And
Tabata.
break. Next, we have modified burpees.
5,
Whew. Modified burpees, so pay attention. So, go down, step it out, all the way down to that push-up. Push yourself up. Bring the foot in. Here. Now, if you want to add that jump, go ahead and add that jump.
3, 2, 1, stop.
Rest. Woo. Next, we got reverse lunges. Regular old reverse lunges.
3, 2, 1, go.
Back. Bring the knee down to a 90-degree angle. Make sure that knee not going past your toe. Make sure all that weight is in the heel of your front foot. You should feel it right here. Bring that knee down to a 90-degree angle. Just like that. Rest. Next, we're going to jog in place.
4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Let's go. So these Tabata workouts all the time, get your heart rate up in a very short workout. And rest. Woo. All right, we have another push-up with a
2,
rotation.
1, go.
So this time, we're gonna push up, and then we're gonna rotate. And rotate. Keep that core tight. Woo, rest. Whew.
Halfway there.
All right, next, we're gonna stay down here. You're gonna give me some more abs. Let's go. Five seconds.
3, 2, 1, stop.
Rest. Woo.
Round 6. 5, 4.
Next, we got 1, 2, 3 touchdowns. Let's go. So 1, 2, 3, touchdown. 1, 2, 3, touchdown. Quick feet, touchdown. Try to move those feet as fast as you can move them. Bend those knees, touch the ground. Let's go. Get that heart rate up. Ooh, rest. Next, we got in and out jumps.
3, 2, 1, go.
Let's go. In and out. If you want, touch the floor. Get those knees down. Okay? Bend those knees. Rest.
Round 8.
Whew, skaters. We got skaters next, you guys.
3,
Woo.
2, 1, go.
Let's go. Gonna step to the side, touch the floor. That foot goes behind you, bend the knee. Big steps.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Rest. Woo.
Tabata. Here we go in 5,
Got some side lunges.
3, 2,
Just like this. Gonna lean to the side. One side at a time. Sit back on the hip. Your knee is facing forward. Your knee is not going out here to the side. Both feet facing forward, to the side, stick the hips back.
3, 2, 1.
Yes. Go to the other side. So wide leg, both toes are pointing
3,
forward.
2, 1,
You're
go.
gonna lean to the side, stick the booty back. Stick the booty way back. So if you go forward, you're gonna look like this. You see that? You don't want that. So think about sitting back on that hip right here.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Yes. Okay, next we have alternating planks. So down back on the mat. So alternate down, down, up, up. Keep the core tight. Let's go, ladies. Next, we got downward dog toe touch. So here, you're gonna bring it back, touch the toe, back down to a plank. Touch the opposite foot. Keep that core tight. Next, we have crossover mountain climber. So we're gonna reach that knee to the opposite elbow. Really try to reach it over there. Next, we have good mornings to a squat. So your hands are here. You're gonna go good morning and down to a squat. So when you do the good morning, you just hinging forward at the hip. You just hinging front, back, down. That's it. Keep the back straight. Keep the chest up and proud. Rest. Alright, we're here. Bring that up and back. Up and back. So really try to reach for the hand and put that foot flat on the ground. This is going to open up your hips too. Woo! Woo, rest. Alright, we got broad jumps again. Actually, no, we got crab walks. Crab walks, stay low. We're gonna go back and forth. But you gotta stay low. Keep those thighs engaged, okay? Keep the legs wide as well. Open up your neck, open up your legs. Stay low. Rest. Woo! Whew. That was the end. All right, so that was the end of the 12-minute Tabata workout. As you can see, I'm already dripping a little sweat. So, you know, you might want to, for a full workout, you might want to do that whole thing 2 more times. That'll be just about 40 minutes or so. But that was a good one. That was a really good workout right there. I am sweating. Okay, 12 minutes, y'all. Can y'all see the sweat? Can you see it? I'm dripping sweat, okay? Thank y'all for tuning in today for the DejaFit Team on demand workout, ladies. I do appreciate you ladies so much for trusting me with your fitness goals, okay? I just want to remind you guys that her nutrition supplements have launched soon. But ladies, I hope you guys have a good day. And I'll see y'all later. Bye, ladies.
Don't forget your first kiss. We were so damn high, we could touch the sky. Drunk on